welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Rebecca.
I'm so excited, thank you for having me.
It is the holidays, so you know what that means. It's cookie season.
Yes, my favorite.
The season of cookie. So today we are gonna be making a cookie recipe from my new cookbook. It's one of my favorite little cookies. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you go over to Rebecca's channel, subscribe, show her the love, like all the videos, comment, all of those things.
Yeah, and if you're in the Zam fam, make sure you subscribe to Ro, turn on notifications, click all, you know, all those things.
And if you guys have been on this channel for a while, you know that we've been doing a bunch of videos
We've
together.
done a few, you know.
We are the friends.
We like to have
we
fun.
hang out. But wait, is this the first day we're making cookies together?
Yeah.
Because we made a cake together.
And we did slime, edible slime.
But we haven't baked cookies together.
I'm excited.
Oh, well, we're changing that today. Look how cute these are. Look how Instagram worthy these are. These are woven stocking cookies. It's a cute little peppermint sugar cookie, but then we weave the dough together to look like
a little stocking. It's so cute. Let's get started.
So Rebecca, the recipe that we're making today is a peppermint sugar cookie recipe. So I'm gonna place all of the ingredients and their measurements down below in the description. So if you wanna follow along, you can. The first thing that we're gonna do is actually whisking together, not our dry ingredients. Whoa, your mind is blown, everybody, if you watch these videos, because that's what I usually do all the time.
Wow.
But not today, Rebecca. Today, I don't know what's happening, but we're gonna be mixing together 4 egg yolks, cream, and our peppermint extract in a medium bowl. Perfect. With a whisk together. Break up those egg yolks.
Okay, I don't really whisk, but is that it?
Kind of like this.
Wait, show me.
You know, little circle, like, you know.
It's easy.
Okay, let me see you do it.
What's the difference between whisking and just like?
You could do that.
Oh, you can?
You could do that, that's okay.
Okay.
And as soon as that's whisked together, we're gonna set this off to the side. It smells like the weirdest smelling omelet ever. It's like a minty omelet.
It smells good. It really does.
Never tried it, you know. Could throw it on the stovetop right now, have a mint omelet. Could be a hit, could be a fail.
Yeah,
we don't know. Okay, now we're gonna play with the butters, the sugars, the flour, all these things. Oh, it's locked.
Oh, yep, I have one of these. I actually got one of these for my wedding, but we forgot.
See, now I'm making
like
you
this?
use it. Oh, no, don't.
Wait, I don't know how to use it.
Rebecca, whatever you do, don't undo this. There's attachments that go here. You can make pasta and stuff. But apparently this, you gotta keep this tight because we know what happens.
Oh,
yeah.
I never knew.
That's another reason you should own a Nerdy Nummy spatula.
I mean, I obviously know how to do this, but that's the right one? Yeah.
Perfect.
I knew that.
This is just training how to use your KitchenAid.
Yeah, I was just,
Hi.
I wanted to teach you guys, so.
Welcome to my channel.
Yes.
We're gonna teach you how to use a KitchenAid stand mixer. So we've got flour, sugar, cornstarch, salt, and butter. And you wanna have your butter at room temperature. Just makes it easier to mix. All right, so let's pour it all in there.
Okay.
Rebecca, I'm gonna have you start with all the flour. This gets a little messy because
there's
no pour spigot. Oh my gosh, great. Perfect.
I lost some.
That's okay, it's just a little bit. We'll
Oh,
scoop it
I
up.
lost a little more than a little bit.
Okay, here.
We got this.
We'll just redo it.
Teamwork.
We'll redo it.
Yeah. Maybe we just cut that part out.
Then,
Done.
sugar.
This is a lot of pressure, Ro.
Yeah, I'm putting you to work this holiday
I'm like
season.
a professional.
Come over, hang out, happy holidays. I'll put you to work. Let's go.
Let's do this. I guess I put you through enough, Ro, on my channel that I can handle baking some cookies.
Okay, deal. Then we're gonna scoop in the butter. Last but not least, a little salt. Let's put it at a low speed so it doesn't have a big poof dust cloud. And now we're gonna mix together to well combine. The ingredients in here are looking good. It's starting to look like course meal. And so now we're gonna add our wet ingredients here.
Okay, easy.
While it's mixing on a low speed.
Oh, okay.
So Rebecca, turn that speed on
back
low.
to 1?
Yeah, and teamwork.
one.
And then I'm gonna mix it in here. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, is it going in?
It's going in.
Oh, I was supposed to do that a little slower. Oopsies.
It's fine.
You know what? I don't want to.
Ooh, it looks really good though. I'm getting hungry.
Oh, that's what we want. Then just let it mix till it's well combined.
I just got a piece of dough. I should just test it just in case.
Yeah, just test it.
Ooh, it's hard. Let me make sure it's ready. Let me just try another piece.
That's good.
You can taste the peppermint.
So good.
This is really good.
So good. Okay, that's done. It's looking good. Now, Rebecca, just open that up.
Yep.
Perfect.
Wow.
And then you jiggle this thing out.
Okay.
Give a little twist on the bottom. Maybe I didn't. Maybe.
Ro is so
Oh,
tiny
wow.
yet.
Oh,
She's
this way.
way better at this than me.
Well, I've just been doing it a lot. This is perfect. So, at this point, divide the dough in half, and we're gonna dye half green and half red using a few drops of food coloring.
Ooh, it's gonna be so holiday-like.
These are the colors that I like, but you can do any. Like, you could leave half of it plain and then do the other half red if you wanted to do like white and red.
Oh.
But we're gonna be doing green and red. So we're gonna do that now, and then we're gonna chill the dough for about an hour in the fridge.
Okay, so we both dyed our dough and we chilled it for an hour. So now what do we do?
Now we're gonna roll it out. In front of us, we've got rolling pins.
Okay.
We've got a little bit of flour. I put a little parchment paper down, but you don't need this. We just being precautious. Take a little pinch of flour, sprinkle it down on the surface on top of your dough.
Easy.
And then just roll it out
Okay.
flat. Roll it out.
Roll it out.
It's pretty tough, huh? It's tough.
It is. This
Okay, there you
reminds
go.
me of clay, kind of.
Doesn't it look like clay when it's colored?
Yeah.
But it's so edible.
Yeah, thank goodness, because I've ate clay and you're not supposed to do that.
Okay, so we're gonna roll it out to be about 1/4 inch thick.
Wow, yours looks so even. Mine still's got humps. My little.
Here, do a
doughy
bigger
humps.
one. I give you the little
But this is
rolling
red.
pin. It's our new holiday song.
Yeah, we just don't want to get copyright. So
Yeah.
we're gonna change that beat now.
Yeah, change that beat. Bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. All right, so once you got it rolled out, we're gonna cut strips, but I have already got us some sheets to make it a little bit easier. And
I like easy.
I like to work in really small amounts for this section because this is where like it could be a really cute Christmas cookie party. So I divide the dough into smaller sections, roll it out so everyone can like weave the dough.
Okay.
Everyone can have like their own edible craft project. Right
Gotcha.
now. Yeah, look at these. Aren't these cute? Yeah. And you can either use one of these tools. It kind of looks like a mini pizza cutter.
Yeah, it does.
Or you can use a sharp cutting knife, whatever you have at home. And you're gonna cut strips. I'm going for about 1/2 inch in size, but you can really do them however you'd like. And you just cut a bunch of strips like so.
So
Here you go,
easy.
Rebecca, go for it.
I got this.
The other side's the biscuit side, Rebecca.
Oh, yeah.
That's the biscuit side.
Oh no, mine are
Not
a little.
the cookie side.
Mine are a little. Well, so I went a little diagonal. I like my.
That's okay. When we put them together like when you do a braid, no one will know.
No one will know
It's
your
gonna look
mistakes.
like a great blade. No one will know. All right, so you're gonna cut all of your strips and then I'm gonna show you how to weave them together. We've cut our dough into all of these strips, so many, and now I'm gonna show you how to make the weave. Oh,
I'm excited. I
This
haven't
is so
done this.
cool. Okay, so the same weave is used when you make like a traditional pie. This is like the lattice weave style on top of the pie. So have you ever made a pie before? With the weave design on top?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna show you right here. So it's really easy. So look, Rebecca's has got all of them laid flat. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna bend back, just like that.
Okay.
But don't push down, just really gently.
Gentle.
Every other one. Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Perfect. Now you're gonna take a green strip and lie it right here.
Okay.
Line it up,
Yep.
and then you're gonna place them down. And then ready for this? You're gonna pick up the other one. So they rotate, just every other one. So pick up the other side.
Okay. I got this. I got this weave thing.
Then you place down the other one. Boop, boop, boop. And then place them back down. And you see that? The pattern's starting.
Oh yeah, it is.
Look at that.
Whoa.
And you just keep doing it till
So
it's all
fancy.
full. And then again, you pick up the same one, and it's just every other strip. And you keep doing this till the whole thing looks woven.
Whoa.
This is the hard work. This is a little tedious, but the cookies are worth it.
It's worth it, and
They're
it looks
so cute.
And if you want it for the gram, it's gotta look good.
Pro tip, this dough is very sticky, and if it ever gets too sticky, just pop it in the refrigerator for like 10 minutes to chill again, and then that will really help. And if it's, too frozen, it will stick together too. So you want room temperature, little chilled. Our cookie dough lattice is done. Check them out. Ah!
Skills.
This is so cute. Okay, now this is one of my favorite parts. Grab that cute little cookie cutter. We've got a stocking cookie cutter. Yes, that one.
Yeah,
And
I knew it.
we're gonna cut out, try to fit. We wanna get at least 2.
Okay.
And it's gonna be the most, just press down, give it a little jiggle, and it's the most satisfying cookie that you're ever gonna cut out because of how much hard work it was to make this design.
Ooh, I just did the jiggle.
Okay. All right, and then place it onto a baking sheet. I've lined it with a little piece of parchment paper.
I'm glad you were ready.
Let's see. Oh my God, Rebecca, yes,
really
give me that cookie.
Oh,
We've
it's
done
so
it.
cute.
We've done it. Look how adorable. Honestly, Rebecca, we're gonna We're gonna add a few more decorations after they bake, but if you just want to serve them like that, I mean, that's adorable.
Yeah,
Are you
that's
kidding?
so cute.
All right, so we're just gonna keep cutting them out and fill up the whole tray. Oh my God!
Bro!
And then with this, you could just make a moosh ball. And then it's just like a little holiday poop cookie. Rebecca, now that we've got our cookies ready, we're gonna pop these in the freezer for about 10 minutes to chill. And we do that so that they hold their shape better while they're baking. And you take them straight out of the freezer and you pop them in this oven. And you wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees and we're gonna bake them for 10 minutes.
Okay, so we took the cookies out of the oven and we've given them plenty of time to cool. And now what, Ro?
Now it's time to decorate, one of my favorite parts, but today it's super easy because you could literally serve these cookies right now. They're so adorable and so cute.
They're so cute.
Look at them.
Don't worry.
Just kidding, we have plenty of them.
Yep, I'll fix it with some frosting.
I have so many cookies, Rebecca, I'll give you a bunch. If you want to be a little extra, we're gonna take some Swiss buttercream icing. I've got them in piping bags over here, and pipe just at the top of the cookie and then sprinkle a little sanding sugar on top to look like those traditional fluffy stockings. Or if you want to take it to the next level of extra, I mean even further than we're taking it today, you can pipe a little icing and then, ready for this?
What?
Black icing, piping bag, number 1 tip, the smallest tip. You can pipe individual names on top of the stockings.
Okay, that's just fancy.
Okay, that's just I mean, we're being extra today, but that's extra. That's extra.
Yeah.
That's 3.
That's a lot.
Yeah. So we'll just be a little extra today.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, so we just pipe on the top, just like this. Just do a thin layer, or thick actually, however you like your cookie.
Oh, I like it thick.
So it looks like that, really simple. And we're just gonna take a little sanding sugar, just sprinkle it on top. So it looks like textured.
Oh, it does.
Boom. Then you're gonna do this to the rest of your cookies. Ta-da! Here's the woven stocking cookies that we made today. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting we make a holiday themed recipe this week. These are so cute. They're from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round. And a big thank you to Rebecca. Thank you for helping me bake today.
Thanks for having me.
This was so much fun.
It was a lot of fun.
Rebecca learned how to use that KitchenAid better.
Yeah,
I was so proud of you. And now we've officially made cookies together. I love this gal. Again, I'm gonna be putting her links down below. Go check her out, subscribe, show her some love, like all of her videos. It's the holidays, it's the season of love and all that stuff. So yeah, cool.
If you guys make these,
oh geez, okay, there we go.
If you make these, make sure to tag Ro on Instagram because she wants to see if you guys can make them like this, or if you do your own little twist with them.
Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Oh my God, ring the bell like a jingle bell. I wish YouTube would turn the bell and look like a jingle bell just for the holidays.
Just for the holidays.
Like, that would look so cute.
Come on, YouTube. Come on.
There's just, my ideas, throwing it out there. Okay, like they don't have enough to do.
I know.
Okay.
You never know.
Again, thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Bye-bye, you guys. Bye. All right, now we get to do a full bite.
Cheers.
Mm.
Good.
Oh, I love that.
Pepperminty.
I love a peppermint cookie.
We did a good job.
Yeah, we did a really
good job.
Bye-bye.